Hello. Hello. Let me adjust just a little bit. Okay. Hello. Today I want to come back to this laptop as the backlight is not working, but the motherboard is, so I want to repair that backlight and fully restore this laptop. As you can see, let me see something. Okay, something is giving shakes to that. Okay. I really don't understand why, but I hope it will be okay. I managed to put my video angle top down. So let's start disassembly this laptop again. I removed the battery, but right now I need to take all the screws out. The idea behind this repair is that the backlight fuse has blown up or was damaged and is not giving any backlight. I need to focus where the main square for filming is. I'm curious if this is better than before when I was filming at a 45 degrees angle. I hope it is better now. Yeah, I have one more screw here. So right now I need to take apart the keyboard. The keyboard has some clips here. Or the case holds in place the keyboard, and it needs to be pushed inside before taking the keyboard out. Four more screws here. And the whole laptop comes apart. believe there are two screws here. Yes, I almost ripped them apart. Looks like I forgot to put this back when I mounted the laptop. So here are two cases. One there is this fuse here. That it's shorted. Yes, it's shorted, this fuse. I believe that is the problem for my backlight to not work. I can test that. Take a RAM. I can power up the laptop this way, and now if I make contact on that one, it should work. Yep, my backlight is working again. For how long? I don't know. I guess as soon as I close the laptop, it will stop working again. Okay. This is a blown fuse right here. And even though I really try, now it should power up my display again. Somehow, looks like not. I'm not having luck this time. Nor luck powering the motherboard. What? No luck. Okay. I want to test if it's giving any signal onto HDMI. But for that I need to close it again and oh my god. I hope that I didn't kill my laptop. Interesting, no image. Okay. Want to plug in the VGA cable to see if the main video source is not VGA, because if it is, it will not give any signal on external display. And I think I killed the laptop. Behind, I want to reset a little bit and then try again. Looks like no image. I think I killed the laptop. I made some short or something. Maybe the culprit wasn't the backlight but something else, and as soon as I started the backlight something else failed and now I don't have image on anything. Which is a bit sad. It was an i3 second generation, so it was pretty good. nothing so far. I'm curious to see if it will power on. And if I have, okay. Oh, come on. Curious to see if I have any kind of image on my laptop display after it boots, but no. Looks like not. So pretty much I think I killed the laptop. Trying to repair it. Or I have static and I need to take out the BIOS battery, and I will try that before actually saying that is dead. Okay, now let's try again and see if that was the problem. Looks like the laptop is powering on. Still no image. Nothing. And I guess this is it. Okay, this is new. As soon as I tried to mount the HDMI, the laptop started just fine with Asus logo and pretty much everything, and Backlight too. Now it's working, and I have Backlight. Okay. It was just a short, just some static on the motherboard itself. Maybe I touched some parts of the laptop when I tried to pin that fuse. If you want your repair to succeed, keep in mind that only touching the fuse, it will not work. For me it's working from what I can see right now, but it will not always work only by touching the fuse. You actually need to replace the fuse or put some, I don't know, you need to put a wire and solder it to the motherboard between two pins on each head of this component, and that way it will work. Or simply solder it around or on top of that. I really don't know why it's working right now, because it didn't work before. I am trying one more time, and if I have luck and it's working again, I will let it the way it is right now. Okay, that's odd. Now it's not working anymore again. No image, no nothing, but maybe because of the bias. Yes, it's because of bias. Okay, I will try to push this a little bit. No, it's not a problem anymore. Looks like my laptop is perfectly working. I will not do anything else than mounting back my, maybe it was not a problem with the fuse, it was only a bias problem. But if you have problems with your backlight not fully working, this is the fuse for it, and it should be replaced. I will continue diagnosing this and mount it back. Thank you for watching.